Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the trending mist color braids. It's going to be very detailed. So if you are ready for it, let's dive into the video. So if you pay attention to how these colors are mixed, you will see that no the same colors is in one area, which means the color is properly distributed on different areas, which I'm going to explain to you guys how I did that. So if you pay attention, you will notice that the first braid that I made is a wine color. So for me to achieve this mixed color altogether, I actually use four different colors, which I'm going to be mentioning the different colors as we go further. Four different colors, and these colors are really vibrant, and it brought out the color very well. So if you want to switch it to use different colors to achieve this, you can also do that. Just switch the colors. You can even use up to 6 colors if you want it to be very dramatic. But what my client wanted was exactly what I gave her. And I bet you by the time she was done, she looked at the mirror and she said, "You deserve a tip." The hair was beautiful, it was neat, the colors were evenly mixed. Like, you would not find the same color in one area, it's properly mixed. So the way I was able to achieve that was with my attachment rack. You could see the pink rack on the side. That really helps me a lot to make the work very easy. So what I did was to arrange. If I'm using black, I arranged on one line, I arranged 2 blacks, two blonde, 2 wine, and 2 gold. So I just mix the colors like that. So when I'm picking, I'm not looking for what to pick. I just picked it as whatever I need. I just stretch my hands and just pick it. It makes it very easy for me to like mix the color. So if you have an hair rack, that will really help you. Attachment rack, that will help you a lot. It will make the job very easy. So like I was saying, the first extension that I added was wine color, which is, for those who are not familiar with the colors, I'm going to be mentioning the colors. So if you want these exact colors, you can just buy them and create your own look, except you want to like switch the color, change it and make it more vibrant or more shouting. But this was a little bit vibrant, but it's also calm, and it was really beautiful. Yes, so the first color I used on this line that I'm on right now, the first color is wine, which is color 35. So color 35 expression. You know, I will always say that I love using expressions on my braid. And the second color I use, that looks like blonde, is not actually blonde. It looks like kind of blonde, but is the new expression color 12, which is very beautiful. If you've seen the tutorial where I braid my birthday hair, my 40th birthday hair myself, you will notice I also use that color 12, and it was really beautiful. And the next color is color 1B, which is black, and that actually made the braid stood out. It actually calmed the color. It was the black color that actually like calmed the color, because if I didn't add the black to this color, this would have been very like bold, shouting, but the black just brought the noise down. And the next one after the black is gold, which is color 30. So you can switch it if you want to, but these are the 4 colors I use. Just like I said previously, you can even use more colors. And if you pay attention to all the braids, you will notice that the colors are actually distributed nicely onto the braid. So you don't like have one same color and 2 same color on the same place, if you guys understand what I'm talking about. So this is how you mix your colors to get a very nice mixed color on braid if you want to. Like I said earlier on, you can also use more colors. I used 4. You can try to use 6, you can use 7, you can use 8, depends on what you actually want. But seriously, this color came out really beautiful. I just actually feel like the filming, the camera did not do justice to this, but this came out nicely. So at this moment, I want to plead with you guys to hit on the subscribe button if you've not done so already. So if you are seeing my channel for the very first time and you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button. And if you think you like this video, please give the video a thumbs up. This will actually make YouTube algorithm to share the video to more people who would like to see this video. And also, don't leave without dropping a comment and letting me know the color you actually love most on these 4 mist colors that I just used to braid this hair. So if you were to braid something like this, a mist color braid, and you were asked to pick one of your favorite colors from these 4 colors, which color would you pick? Let me know in the comment section below, please. I want to really know the color you guys actually preferred on this braid. Just drop a comment, let me know the color you really love, that you would really like to add to your braid when you are making a mist color braid. So if you base in United Kingdom, Manchester to be precise, and you want to book our session for braiding, don't hesitate to send us a DM via Instagram. It's the same name, Change Your Look, on Instagram. You can DM us there, which I'll be leaving the link on the bio on the description section. Don't hesitate to check, or better still, you can send a message on the comment section and then I can book you in if you live within Manchester. Yes, because I can promise you that one of the best braider in United Kingdom, not just Manchester. So if you want a very good braid, like a very neat braid, then I've got you covered. If you want to distribute colors and make it look very beautiful, then I've got you as well. So don't hesitate to send us a DM. So what I like to do next is to dip the braids into a very hot water. Yeah, emphasizing on that hot, it has to be very hot. So all those flyaway you have on your braid, this hot water is just going to melt them down and it's going to make your braid look very silky. And you need a flannel as well, the little towel, to drain out the water so you don't dip your hand in the hot water. And what I like to do when I'm not putting coils at the end of my braid, I like to dip the end into a fresh hot water. It just makes the end of the braid very straight, which comes out really beautiful. And what I like to do next is to use the flannel and just dap it on the client's head, just to make them feel like they're just coming out from the salon. And by the time we were done, this braid came out super beautiful. See how neat, how even that those colors are distributed into. So this is how you mix colors to braid your hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy new year to you all. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.